All right, everybody, we just got to the campground. We're gonna go ahead and get our camper set up for use. We're gonna open up our propane here. And we're gonna twist our propane valves all the way to the left. Get this opened up so we can use our propane. Now, we're gonna pretend that we're already level. We do make leveling blocks, companies do, that you can use for the wheels, but for right now, we're gonna pretend we're already level. We're gonna open up our hatch. And these switches right here are gonna let us do our stabilizer jacks. So you can see those coming down right there. You do not wanna lift this camper up with these. We wanna wait till they touch. Then the other one over there is gonna start coming down. Now, once that one touches the ground, stop. We're gonna do the same thing for the back when we're ready. Once we get it stable, we're gonna open up our camper and we're gonna open up that slide. We unlock the camper. We have our solid steps right up here. It's a very, very easy operation. We're gonna pull this pin, drop the steps. We're gonna walk in here and we're gonna push our slide out. As you can see, it's already out, but this is the button you're gonna use. Once that's out, we're gonna come right around here. Now, if we're doing dry camping, this is already gonna be filled with water. This is your water filled right here. So if you are dry camping, you're gonna skip this next step. If we are at a campground, right back here is our city water connection. So we're gonna connect our water into here and get it running. This is gonna pressurize our system. From there, we're gonna take our shore cord, or some people just call it a power cord. We're gonna plug it into here, and we're gonna plug into a 30 amp pedestal. A lot of pedestals are gonna be 30 or 50 amp. This is a 30 amp, so plug right in. Optional, if your campsite has cable hookup is right there, as well as satellite. Now, this next step is also optional. We have our gray and our waste holding tanks right here, so our gray and black tanks. You can either use your gray and black tanks and drain them as they get full, or what me and my wife do is, we run our sewer hose from here into our sewer outlet, open up our gray and our black tanks and let it flow, because we're usually at a campsite about a week, 2 weeks when we're on vacation. From there, you pretty much have everything set and you're ready to go inside and start setting up.